Good afternoon, student. Today we will start a new lesson, lights and the formation of a shadow, म्हणजे प्रकाश आणि छाया निर्मिती. In this we will cover the topics shadow games, sources of light, types of objects, propagations of light, reflections of light, images in a plane mirror, types of reflection. These topics we cover today. So there is one example. You can see over here a shadow of a man. What you can see? You can see only the shadow of the man. You can't see the man. If for this experiment we can use one more thing. Take a object. एक ऑब्जेक्ट घ्यायचं. त्याच्या समोर आपण आपली टॉर्च ठेवलं तर त्या ऑब्जेक्टचं रिफ्लेक्शन कसं पडतं ते पाहायचं. त्याच्यानंतर आडवं जर ते टॉर्च मारल्यानंतर सर्कल शॅडो पडते आणि उभी मारल्यानंतर रेक्टँग्युलर पडते. त्याच पद्धतीने हे शॅडोज आपण करू शकतो घरी. प्रकाशाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने उभं राहायचं आणि आपल्या हाताच्या साहाय्याने वेगवेगळे आकार आपण भिंतींवर बनवू शकतो. लाईक हे जे थोडे आकार दाखवले आहेत मी ते तुम्ही घरी भिंतीवर ट्राय करू शकता. एकामध्ये पिजन दिसतं आहे, दुसऱ्यामध्ये रॅबिट दिसतो आहे, त्याच्यानंतर कुत्रा दिसतो आहे, काही ठिकाणी मगरमच्छ दाखवलेला आहे. सो दे आर अ डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ शॅडोज वी कॅन मेक विथ आवर हँड. हे आपण सगळंच बनवतो, त्यामुळे हे एक्सप्लेन करायची गरज नाही, पण तुम्ही घरी हे ट्राय करू शकता. कॅन वी सी एनिथिंग इन अ टोटल डार्कनेस? काळोखात आपण पाहू शकतो का? व्हॉट हेल्प अस टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट अराउंड अस? येस, करेक्ट, लाईट. वी रिक्वायर्ड अ लाईट. Where do we get the light from? Daytime we will get the light from the sun, and in the night we get a light from the stars. Only stars? No. Sun is the most important source of a light on earth. Other sources of light, there is a candle, tube light, bulb, lantern and torch will be there. They are the different sources of the light. Now we will discuss about a luminous object or a materials. The object or material which emit light, meaning those which themselves are a source of a light, are called luminous object or materials. ज्या वस्तू किंवा पदार्थ प्रकाश बाहेर टाकतात, म्हणजेच त्या स्वतः प्रकाशाचे स्रोत किंवा उगमस्थान आहेत, त्यांना दीप्तिमान वस्तू किंवा पदार्थ असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सन, कॅन्डल, लॅन्टर्न, बल्ब, टॉर्च and tube light. These all are luminous object or material. Now we will talk about non-luminous object or material. Pencil can be used to give us light. Pencil, table, book, chair. These objects are give us light? No, they are not giving us any light. So these are the non-luminous material. The objects or a material that are not source of light themselves are called non-luminous object or a material. For example, pencil, table, books, chairs, etc. ज्या वस्तू किंवा पदार्थ स्वतः प्रकाशाचे स्रोत नाहीत त्यांना दीप्तिहीन वस्तू किंवा पदार्थ म्हणजेच non-luminous म्हणतात. Can you tell whether the moon is a luminous or a non-luminous? चंद्र हा luminous आहे की non-luminous? It's a non-luminous. Why? Because चंद्राचा जो प्रकाश असतो तो त्याचा स्वतःचा नसतो, तो सूर्यापासून पडलेला प्रकाश असतो चंद्रावरती. What is the difference between bulb and the sun? Sun is a natural source of a light and its light cannot be controlled by us. We cannot switch it on or off. But bulb, it's a man-made resources of a light. It's can controlled by the man. We can switch it off or switch it on. Glowworm. Glowworm is it glows in the night because it has his own light. ग्लोवॉर्म म्हणजे काय? काजवे. काजवे हे रात्री चमकतात कारण त्यांना स्वतःची चा प्रकाश असतो. There is one mushroom. In a daytime it look like this. This is called honey mushroom. In a night view they sparks. They shows their lights. Artificial sources of light. These are the artificial sources of light. Artificial source of a light. Some man-made objects also emit the light. There are called artificial source of light and a natural source of light. The objects or materials which emit the light themselves are called natural source of a light. Artificial for examples are bulb, tube light, torch, candle, etc. And a natural sun, honey mushroom, fireflies, etc. Now we will discuss the propagations of light म्हणजे प्रकाशाचे संक्रमण. You may see in the afternoon the rays of the light entering through the slides of the door or the small holes of the roof. As these rays of a lights form a slit or a hollow move towards the floor. For that we recommend one experiment. बऱ्याचदा दुपारच्या वेळी खिडकीच्या दरवाजाच्या फटीतून किंवा छताच्या छोट्याशा छिद्रातून अनेकदा आलेल्या प्रकाशाची किरणे आपण पाहिली असेल. त्याच्यासाठीच एक साधा प्रयोग आहे. तो प्रयोग काय आहे ते समजून घ्या. एका 3 cardboard papers. Make a small hole in the center of each cardboard paper. Use the thick needle. Arrange the cardboard in such a way that the 3 holes are in the same line as shown figure number 14.3 on a page number 98. Stands a burning candle on one side of the cardboards and look the flame of the candle from the other side. असं बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय जाणवतं? ज्यावेळी आपण मेणबत्तीची ज्योत पाहतो त्यावेळी ती आपल्याला दिसते. का? कारण की प्रकाश हा सरळ रेषेत जातो. पण जर एखादा कार्डबोर्ड पेपर तुम्ही हलवला तर ती मेणबत्तीची ज्योत तुम्हाला दिसत नाही. कारण की प्रकाश हा सरळ रेषेत जात असल्यामुळे तुम्हाला ती ज्योत कार्डबोर्ड पेपर हलवल्यानंतर दिसत नाही. त्याचप्रमाणे आकृती क्रमांक 14.4 वरती मेणबत्ती पाहणारी मुले बघा. आकृतीत काय दाखवली? एक मोठी नळी घेतली आहे. नळीतून मुलगा त्या मेणबत्तीला पाहत आहे तेव्हा ती मेणबत्ती दिसते आहे. पण थोडी नळी वाकवली आणि परत पाहिलं तर ती मेणबत्ती दिसत नाही. कारण की प्रकाश हा सरळ रेषेमध्ये आपल्याला दिसतो. प्रकाशाच्या सरळ प्रवासाला प्रकाशाचे रेषीय संक्रमण असे म्हणतात. म्हणजेच लाईट ट्रॅव्हल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाईन. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लाइनर propagation of a light. You will probably say it is the eyes that help us to see the object around us. But when there is a darkness, we need a light to see the things always. But will your eyes be able to see the object in the dark? No. We need a light to see the things. But where is the light coming from? The light is coming from the bulb, fluorescent bulb. The object which emit other own lights are called luminous object. For example, bulb. Can you give any other examples? Yeah, we can give. There is a bulb, sun, stars. They are luminous objects. Do you know the emit of our own light? Yes. Such objects which are have their own lights are called luminous object, and which they don't have their own lights called non-luminous. Planets and moon, they are non-luminous objects. Now we will discuss the reflections of light. Reflections म्हणजे प्रतिबिंब. The reasons we are able to see numerous objects around us because it's direct of the light or a bounce of a light from some surface. Just like the ball bounce back from the ground, lighter reflect off. Let me try to explain in a simple way. Reflections of light means change in the directions of the light. Means the light from the source strikes the object and bounces off, and this is how the non-luminous object see. When the object is kept in front of mirror, its image form in it. म्हणजेच एखादी वस्तू जर आरशासमोर ठेवली तर त्याचं प्रतिबिंब हे आरशामध्ये दिसते. But will be able to see the image in the dark? No, we can't, because the reflections of a light, so formation of image is due to the reflections of light. Let's this object of our human body. So same time we are looking at the body. The human body is a luminous or a non-luminous. It's a non-luminous. So human body cannot imitate its own light. The reflections of light, it's strike the mirror, and then reflection of light, it's bounce back to the eyes. Now obviously this is not an exact picture. There are lot of subtleties involved which we will learn in our higher standard. So you understand what is a reflection. जे प्रतिबिंब आपल्याला मिररमध्ये म्हणजे आरशामध्ये दिसतं. The left and the right sides of the original object appear to be exchanged in the mirror image. म्हणजे आरशातील प्रतिबिंबामध्ये मूळ वस्तूच्या डाव्या व उजव्या बाजूची अदलाबदल एक्सचेंज झालेली दिसतात. Image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in the front of it. म्हणजेच वस्तू जितक्या अंतरावर आरशासमोर असते तितक्याच अंतरावर तिचे प्रतिबिंब आरशाच्या मागे असल्याचे दिसते. The size of the image is the same as that of the object. म्हणजे वस्तूच्या प्रतिमेचा आकार मूळ वस्तू एवढाच असतो. So today we learn about the reflection. After that, light travels in the straight line. Luminous and non-luminous object. So today's your homework is you have to solve question number 1 from page number 104 and send it me today. That's it for the day. Thank you.